Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to attach an email in Web Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox and other folders. After your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a button labeled New. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, select Mail. This will open a new email composition window on the right side of your screen, ready for you to draft your message. Now here's where the process gets interesting. Attaching an email to another email in Web Outlook is actually quite straightforward once you know the trick. Simply navigate back to your inbox where all your emails are listed, find and select the specific email you want to attach to your new message. Once you've selected it, click and hold on the email, then drag it directly onto the composition window that's open on the right side of your screen. As soon as you drop the email into the composition window, Outlook will automatically convert it into an attachment. You'll see it appear in the attachment area of your draft, complete with the original email's subject line and sender information. With the email now attached, all that's left is to complete your message. Fill in the recipient's address in the To field, add a clear and descriptive subject line that explains what you're sending, and if needed, type any additional message in the body of the email to provide context about the attached email you're forwarding. Once everything looks good, click the Send button to deliver your message along with the attached email. And that's it! You've successfully attached an email within Web Outlook, making it easy to forward complete conversations or important messages to colleagues or clients. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.